Hi everyone, Mike here for MyKeyReviews. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for the Sony PS4 Pro 500 million limited edition, as you can see here. So this retails in at £450, or I believe it was $499, and this is a 2 terabyte version of the PS4 Pro. Normally it's a 1 terabyte, and of course it has a very limited and special design. What makes this limited is there is only 50,000 units available globally. It was a way of what Sony say as a thank you to the fans. They made this special limited edition available, but unfortunately a lot of fans would see this as a slap in the face. These sold out within a minute, and I was very lucky to get one because basically Amazon screwed up their orderings, so they actually had to, well, Amazon UK did anyway, I'm not sure about the US, but basically the next day they made them available at 10 o'clock AM, and I was very lucky to get one. My friend, however, who was ordering at the same time, couldn't. They literally sold out within a minute. It was absolutely crazy. But yeah, I mean, the design of this, by looking at the pictures, looks amazing. There are so many people who are fans of the transparent designs. Normally the transparent controllers do very, very well. Yeah, I personally think that they should, redo these, but not have them, numbered. The first 50,000 units are actually numbered, which makes them even more special. I think, just re-release the transparent design. Just don't have them numbered, and that way these still remain that little bit of extra special. That's just my opinion, but yeah. So not really much to say about the specs. The only thing different to the PS4 Pro, the other ones, it's a 2 terabytes, so you've got that extra good storage. Obviously you can expand the storage for even more. So if we take a look on the exterior packaging, got once again a transparent slipcase, which actually kind of gives it a bit of a holographic look, which is pretty nice. It's very smart packaging overall, and hopefully there's no tape. No, there isn't any tape, so I'm just going to undo this. And I do apologise if I can't get everything in view. My table isn't exactly that big. There we are. So I'm just gonna undo this. Ooh, very nice looking. Let's see. Does this come out? Yes, this comes out. I will of course save the best till last, and this is the premium cloth bag that Sony mentioned.
Very premium, very premium.
It really isn't premium. It is literally just a blue version of the bag you get with the normal Pro. There's a little gold emblem on it, just to make it look a bit more fancy, but there's nothing really special about it. Okay, lid. It's me being blonde. There it is. So a little flap there. I was kind of trying to take it out there. Okay, so in the first box, we have all your exciting documents. There we are. Ooh, they've even made the manual look, they've matched the design to the manual. It's pretty cool.
Very premium.
Well, some people might appreciate that. Right, so in here, I presume we've got all the cables. Oh, come on, Sony. If you're gonna make a really special edition console, you might as well go all out with the cables. So, I mean, we've got here the stand for the camera, and this is in a limited edition blue. Quite nice, not transparent, but it still looks nice. And we have the mono headsets. This one is actually transparent, or some parts of it, so that's nice to see. Then you've got your power cable. This one's, I believe, an EU one. Then we've got the UK. See, if you're in a different country, you're going to get the power cables suitable for your country. HDMI cable. and the USB cable. You know, like with the HDMI cable, they could have easily made that like a blue braided HDMI. Same with the micro USB, they could have done exactly the same. And heck, why not do it with the power cables, just to make it a one like uniform design? That would have been much better in my opinion. You know, I mean, some people may see that as picky, but you know, this is supposed to be proper limited edition. Just make everything, you know, like a bit more uniform. Then here we have the limited edition controller, which I've actually bought a new one as well. Oh wow! Flippin' neck. You know what? This is gonna be an absolute favorite amongst you know, like the PS4 users. If you can get your hands on one of these, absolutely, that is really nice. Really, really nice. So you've still got a decent amount of grip at the rear there. The transparent plastic actually feels really nice. Even the grips, yeah. Just as you expect, it's kind of like a copper shiny color there on the share and options, and on the PlayStation emblem right there. Fair play, Sony, that is a very, very nice looking controller. Then we have the PlayStation camera. So not transparent, but still, once again, in the limited edition blue color. You know, it just makes it look a little bit more unique, so pretty nice. It would be nice to see it in transparent along with the PS4 Pro. Ooh, very nice. And it also comes with the official stand. Now, a lot of people were worried about you know, this stand, saying that it looks really flimsy. Now this is actually a blue version of the black one that they have, and surprisingly these are actually very sturdy. So honestly, I mean, I will be using this with the PS4 Pro. Absolutely nothing wrong with it whatsoever. You know, I have 100% trust in this, and of course, you know, if you're gonna whack something really hard, even on the stand, it's gonna fall over. It's just the way it is. So if you're just careful around it, you're gonna have no issues. But this very nice blue doesn't seem, though, like with the black, there's a bit more of like a gradient. It doesn't quite look like it. It has a very subtle gradiency, but actually you can see on the camera, yes, it's a bit lighter around the edges. It gets a bit darker as you go in. So yeah, pretty nice, but it could have had a bit more of a difference, or a bit more of a noticeable gradient on there. And these are basically just the brackets and the screws for the stand. Okay, so what you've all been waiting for, the limited edition PS4 Pro. Whoa. Okay, I need to be careful when getting this out. Take the premium bag off. Wow. You know what? The pictures do not do this justice at all. I mean, like, even on my camera, I mean, if I can get the angle right, you can kind of see it, but yeah, you can see right through it. That's really nice. There we are. So transparent all round. Yeah, there we are. You can see the inside there. The logo on the bottom. I do like the fact that they've put the little, you know, on the PS4 Pros, the emblems as the grips. Triangle, square, circle, X. It's a nice little subtle feature. Okay, and literally just on the front here, I'm gonna have to do a little macro shot here because it's very hard to pick up. But I have 12,700 out of 50,000. All right, so I'm gonna get the stand set up. So we have the brackets, screw. First of all, I need to unwrap this. This is very, very well wrapped. So you may not be able to see, but just on the rear you've got some symbols and you've got a little hole there. So you just slot that in like that. Then just align the markers. So the you've got like a 2-line symbol, that's for the normal PlayStation, and the one with 3 is for the Pro, and you just align that like so, and then just screw it in. Probably preferably want to do that actually with a screwdriver. And then this should stand up nicely, like so. Okay, so now I'm going to power it up and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will light up. That's what I'm hoping. Oh, it actually does. You can see on the front there, it actually lights up. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly turn these lights off. And you should see that there's a really nice subtle glow on the front there. That's pretty neat. There's a nice extra subtle feature there with the with the glow of the PS4 Pro. The only thing is already this is just attracting so much dust. This is an absolute dust magnet compared to the normal Pro. And it really does show up as well. So yeah, maybe that is probably one of the negative things about it. However, it does look amazing. Really something that you've got to see in person. Just, like the pictures, or even on this video, it really doesn't do it justice. It just, not only the transparent design, which I can really clearly see through it. You can't really see through it on the you can kind of, but it's much more obvious in person, and it really does look cool. So you've got the PlayStation emblem right here as well, copper plated, kind of like a brushed metal look. And so you've got the front there, which not only glows, but it also has that other, like just subtleties, just to give it that little bit extra, a little bit of extra flair. Anyway guys, that's it for the video, so hopefully you found it helpful, and thank you for watching.